So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to turn off automatic login on the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom right and press on the Me icon right here. Once you're here, go down to the bottom to where it says Settings and press on that. And once you're here, I want you to go into where it says Moomoo account, just like this. Once you're here as well, my apologies, you actually don't want Moomoo account. You want to go to where it says passwords and security and where it says automatic login. For me, it actually is checked right here. If you were to simply uncheck it, it means that every time you open up the Moomoo application, you have to log into your account and it won't automatically log you in every time you try to open it up. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this back on. I have to enter my password, of course. But yeah, that's how you guys can turn off automatic login on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.